So this is our Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, one of the newest phones here in 2025. And yes, as you see, it's SM-A166B. So what is the problem? The problem is the phone is locked. So it has a PIN code on it and we forgot the PIN code. If you forgot your PIN code or the password or the pattern to draw or anything else here to unlock the screen, then this video is for you. I will help you now to unlock this phone, but keep in mind that we will do a factory reset and all data on the phone will be erased. So yes, we will wipe all the data. What do you need? You need an USB-C cable connected to the phone, and the other end needs to be connected to a device, to a computer or any other device. And we will press some buttons here as you see. So to proceed, we need to press volume up, volume down and the power button, all three buttons together. So you press all three buttons together and hold them until the phone restarts. Just hold it, okay, when the phone restarts, release the volume down button, but keep holding volume up and the power button. Keep holding these two buttons until you come into the recovery menu. There we go, we are in the recovery menu. So the key was to hold just volume up and the power button, okay? So once we are here in the recovery menu, we need to go down and choose wipe data factory reset. If you don't see this option, probably it was disabled by the owner or by your company. So click with the power button and confirm that you want to erase the phone. Keep in mind all data will be erased, and then again confirm here on yes, erase the data, and then click on reboot system now. This will reboot the phone. Okay, all right. So now you need to wait a couple of minutes maybe. I will speed up this video now so you don't need to wait while you wanna see the next step. So now basically the phone looks like new, nothing is on the phone. Choose your language, click on next. Then we go through the procedure here and the next, just accept this, click on next. Click on setup manually. Then it's telling us the device was resetted, so you need your Google account and your password to activate the phone. So firstly connect to your Wi-Fi or just to your hotspot or anything. You just basically need internet to complete this step now. I did just blurry so we don't see the neighbor's Wi-Fi here. Okay, just connect to your Wi-Fi, click on next and wait again couple of minutes so that your phone will become ready. After some checking, you will see you need to enter your PIN code again, but under this you can click use my Google account instead to unlock. Just click on that and then we will need to enter the Gmail account which was associated with your phone. So basically your Gmail account. If this is not your phone, then you are screwed. You will need an FRP unlock, all right? So enter here your Gmail account and then later also the password. Okay, so once you entered all the data, just click on next and that's it. If you had also the Gmail in another device, then you need to confirm on the other device and that's it. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.